back at my channel. Today I have a big, but when I say big, it's a big cleaning motivation. We are gonna be cleaning the garage after doing the remodeling on our kitchen. The garage, like, suffered. We took all the things outside. We have all the equipment out here. We have everything, the leftovers, the backsplash, everything is out here. Let me show you guys. So I have boxes, microwaves, another box, all of that. I have all this exercise equipment out here. We are taking the cars out so we can clean this mess. We got to take care of all of this. So if you are ready to get some cleaning motivation, then just keep watching.
It's getting closer to midnight.
Let's just start by removing everything, or pretty much put everything around the garage and figure out how we are going to place things around here. This was kind of a little intimidated at the beginning because I really didn't know what I was going to do. All I knew it was that I had to declutter all this garage, that I had to put things around in their proper place. And I made the decision to put everything in the back yard. We are gonna get either a storage house, or we're probably gonna build one. We are still don't know what we're gonna do, but my plan is to take everything out of the garage and making sure that I have this garage empty because we have new plans for it. Now it's the extra vent hood that I ordered when we were doing the remodeling in the kitchen. If you guys have seen that video, I've mentioned that was one of the things that it was taking us forever when we were doing the remodeling of the kitchen. It wasn't too long enough to reach all the way to the ceiling, and so we end up buying another one, and now I end up with a new one. The good thing is that I did save one box, so I just put it back in the box, and we're probably gonna sell it, or I really don't know what we're gonna do with it, if someone will want to buy it with only one extension. And I'm just trying to get every single little piece of trash. As I said, I do have all of the remodeling stuff in here, paint, and on top of that, we have all of our camping stuff. I used to sort of have like a organization system, and I had all of the camping stuff in like containers, but all of their lids are not working no more. And I did have them at the beginning in one of the bins without the lids, but it's just really annoying every time I try to put things on the top, and I end up going to Costco to purchase new bins. They do have the black ones with the yellow lids. They are not on sale right now. They're like around $8, but when they do go on sale, they're like almost, I think, $6, $5.99, but still $8 for this bins. It's not expensive because I've looked for those at Walmart and they're a little bit more expensive, and I just like the way these ones are because they are really sturdy, and you can still put a lot of things in it, and they're really convenient. So that's what I end up going to Costco, buying 3 more, and I put all of our camping stuff in one. I try to put all the cords in one, and then all of the lights in another one, and I still use the ones without the lids, but I know that those are gonna be like on the top. Again, I was just trying to put things around in the proper place, and at the beginning, it kind of looked like I had more mess than when I started it, but I really needed to scatter all things around so to see what we had and what we didn't. I didn't want to get rid of anything just because Edgar, it's the one that has like a lot of things to do around the house and pretty much old tools. I know most of them that he has to use and like the ones that he needs, but some of them I really don't know what he uses them for. So that's why I was trying just to put things in their proper place, and then by the time the weekend hits, we can work on all of the things that he's not going to need. We're probably going to do like a yard sale or try to sell things online I don't even know if they're doing yard sales right now. Hey, and try to make a little bit of money for the kids. I moved the fridge onto the other side again. I have so many plans for this garage, so this one being on the other side, it was taking too much space, especially because that's kind of like the area where we have all the exercise equipment. And I did use the broom to take all the web around the ceiling and wherever I was able to take it out. My husband is the one that fumigates the house, but he haven't done it, and we have so many webs. I mean, we're in October, right? So they can probably be part of the decoration. But yeah, I cleaned that area and moved the fridge onto the other side. When I started cleaning the garage, the kids were still in school, and once they were done, they were helping me after. So that was amazing that they were able to help me, because oh my God, even though they did help me, this cleaning, it took me all day. Like, I really didn't know if I was going to be able to finish in one day, but hey, we've accomplished it and we finished everything in one day. I did keep a few items inside of the garage just because I still have a lot of leftovers from like the flooring and the backsplash that we put on the kitchen, and a lot of paints that we are still going to be using inside of the house and also in the garage, because that's one of the plans that I have for this garage. I'm going to paint it, but I still have to know what are the things that I need and what are the things I already have. So I did left some of the items in the garage, and also against that wall where I have the white cabinet that I keep a lot of miscellaneous things in there. And I'm still going to keep this one in here until we have a system on the backyard where we're going to build the house, or again, buy it. I still don't know. But I still kept things in here, at least the ones that I mainly use. And I do have a lot of paint sprays and little sample paints that I kept in here. And a lot of the things that are in the table, again, are like things that I've used throughout the remodeling in the house and things that I'm still using. by this time we were almost done. I think that the thing that took me forever was to put all the little things in their proper place, and especially because a lot of the things in here are things that I'm still using, and I didn't want to put them too high or in a place where I wasn't going to be able to see what I had. So it took me a while to figure out where I was going to place all that stuff. And I took a few items that I know we're not going to use no more for me to either sell it or do a yard sale, like I said again. I don't know. What do you guys think? Give me ideas. I feel that if I do a yard sale, it's a good thing for the kids, to make a little money with the things that we don't need that probably other people might need. And once I was done putting all the other stuff away, now we moved on to this side where I have all of the exercise equipment. I did wanted to put this at the entrance at the beginning, but then at the end, I move it back where it used to be. That microwave, it's another one that, again, I have to either sell or give to someone that might need it. It's still in really good conditions, but I don't have a place where to put it no more. And I did purchase a smaller one, so that one has to go. In this area where I have all of the exercise equipment, I didn't make any changes. All I did, it was just moving things around where I was able to broom and take all the dirt away. It was so dusty and dirty, especially because we were putting things outside just like that, either at the entrance or wherever there was space to put things. And so it ended up getting all dusty and dirty, and there was just no space for either me or Xavier or the kids to either work out or just to have, time in the garage, especially because we do have a TV out here. And right now that it is getting colder, it's more fun to be out here in the garage. I think that that's one of the reasons why I have so many plans for this garage. I do want to convert this garage into a gym / men cave. And in order to do that, I don't want to have anything out here. There was just so many ideas that I had, and I know that we do need the space to put the cars in here, but we also do have a bigger driveway to put either a bigger car, or we just have an extra space on the other side for us to put the cars. I know that it is really, really hot out here. It gets really hot, and it's probably not a good idea to have them outside, but I'll figure something out. I just really, really want this space out here. And then at the end, I end up washing the floor because it had so much dirt and grease from like the cars, and it just needed the extra love. So I end up washing it, putting some soap in here, and I tried to like scrub it with the broom. And then the mats, Oscar did wash those as well. We didn't put them back on the same day. They were still wet, so we're probably going to put them back in here today. Now this is so exciting because now we have space to open this tree. It is a 12-feet tree, so I don't know how we're going to do it to put it inside, but I'm just super, super excited. And this is how it looked, guys. I did keep a few items out here until further notice. It's not too much, but it's now empty and we have more space for the kids to play out here. We end up taking the ping pong table out here for the kids to play. I'm super happy how it's clean now, and I'm like excited to be out here now. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.